Hello everyone, welcome back. After iOS 17.3.1, if the lock screen clock is fade or dim, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on battery. Here we are going to disable the low power mode, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and soft restart your iPhone. Tap on device, tap more and tap restart, then tap restart to confirm. After restart, you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going to launch settings again. Here we are going to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, we are going back to general, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and also check the iOS update. If available, then update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.